So, hello, people following this channel, the LinkedIn pages, and obviously the Instagram marketing handle, and viewing the Spotify uh, page for Dreams Awaken. There would have been a few questions which which will have been like unanswered, or there would have been some doubts which can peek in to understand why I am doing this, what is this, what is the reach of it, and how it can make an impact and everything. I would rather prefer to give an introduction of who I am, what am I doing, and why am I doing this, what is this podcast about, the history. No, there is no mystery, so that I don't have to address that. The history, the future, the background, everything of this. So, introduction about myself. I am Neetu Chilian. I am basically from Kerala, and I had no intention to be a YouTuber, if you call me so. I am an management graduate. I have an MBA, which is in business analytics and HR. And my graduation I had completed in science, pure sciences. It is I have a triple major degree in physics, mathematics, and computer science. I have been a quick learner. I would rather say an avid reader and everything. I am fascinated by Dale Carnegie, the public speaking guru, and I have read little of its books. And I love thinkers, the management thinkers, administrative thinkers. I love reading a lot about them. I love Kautilya Arthashastra. So this is all about the person called as I am. And coming back to podcast, Dreams Awaken is a name, as you can see in the channel everywhere. So what is Dreams Awaken? Yeah, this is the third or fourth, nth time I'm explaining. 1 second. Yeah, nth time I'm explaining Dreams Awaken, what it is. So, Dreams Awaken is a poem whose name is titled as Abandon Not That Dream You Sow. So, Abandon Not That Dream You Sow comes in like three little bit paragraphs. I don't know what the literary word to call it out. Yeah. So, in that, I have a second, I would call this a paragraph, or I'm not a kind of very much well-versed poet enough. Yeah, so I would call that paragraph. Give me 1 second. Yeah, that paragraph was named as Dreams Awaken. It was the second part. So abruptly, after some time, my friends liked the way I spoke and everything. They pitched in and they told me, you're doing a good job. You can do this. It's actually too good what you're speaking it out. So then I spoke out about oysters from within. Then it was all about dream, 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 dream. Obviously, everyone have a drive in them. So maybe it's about them. It's about it. So three failed attempts. First was Spreaker, second was Google Podcast, third was One Spotify, which was deleted, and this is the fourth attempt at doing the same thing. So right now, I am done with giving these lessons of dreams and reading from books and what I felt like and giving out to the world and writing literary pieces and everything. So this time I thought I was like watching Instagram reels, and I was like very much inspired by the way these people, especially the new generation, I would call them that way, I would like to address them. Influencers are bringing it on. So I just started it with a story poll with 113 people as my friends. asking them, do you want me to give life lessons? Would you listen if I started again? And there were four or five, I think, replies, and none of the others bothered to do that. So that is how I just like going in with it and all. And this podcast was started, and it received immense views, immense support, immense people interest showing interest to come in to speak about. So then the question was what it should be like, where the drive should take this to, and the reach was increasing. So which who should be our target audience? So as I did my MBA and I have quite some knowledge in this marketing's this handling, and since I'm from analytics, so again in that field, and then some industry experience, I come up with so everything. So then the intention was again to bring in something that is very phenomenal, that can drive in a positive change. And yeah, it should have a positive impact was the intention behind. And people teamed up with me. I asked them, they heard my story, they heard the intent. I always believe, as great people always tell, intent matters. So that is how we just kicked in with the show. But just with the upload of first reel of the first show, first I'd call it as an interview or a chit chat or a catch up, where buddies take the guest of honor with my first friend. I would rather call her as my best friend now, because of the trust that she kept in me. Only this started kicked in again. And so with that, with our chit chat, it just shook off like, I wouldn't say it viral, because I had this intuition of maybe it can go, but it just shook me when the analytics part of it just showed me those numbers within like few hours. And the SEO searches for the host, who is the host, what is the host age, what is the host email, Instagram ID, everything just kind of scared me out. But I don't know, I couldn't give it up, so I kept going, and that is how we kept going and took off till the fourth episodes. And things are just working in the back end right now. So I have, if you ask me, do you have a team and all? It's just a bit of internal things. And yeah, I had been inviting people, and I had been getting positive responses. So the pure intent part of it for the second series that we're bringing in, and also diving into the first series, is nothing but career centric. The people who would have come to my show would have achieved something, would have changed their personalities to fit into the world of possibilities, to explore opportunities, and the stories tell about that, their experiences. And if you ask me what was my experiences, obviously I would open up on another episode when someone would sit across and ask me the same. So that is the whole thing about Dreams Awaken. And as the reach and all is increasing, I would like to make sure that it is a legacy podcast. We are not generating any revenue. I have no plans to monetize it. I don't know the other part of it, like how it works on different platforms. I would be learning it for sure. And there is no community building in here. We are not building any community. It is just a podcast. And moreover, they're my friends. And if you wish to keep in touch, that's well and fine. It's personal for me. And that is the end of the show. Nothing more, nothing less. So, yeah, so it also brings in the aspect of leadership, because if you are not a leader for yourself, you would not have paid a way to reach where you reached. So it is a journey of that leader. And me right now doing this, going through multiple, what do you say, books to understand different perspective, to utilize the time I have, to build in some skills, I thought. everything is providing a platform for me also to learn. So, and I think, yeah, there's always someone smarter in the room. You would never be able to hold the room all together on yourself. You gotta keep learning, you gotta keep learning, you gotta keep put your head down, do the work. This is inspired from in another podcaster, not by me, not from me. So I always believe that, and I think I don't know. So this is the proper introduction for Dreams Awaken, because I am tired of explaining to every single individual who would ask me what is it about everything. So I think this would be a very direct message, so that you will understand what it is. And yeah, so if you have been in this loop and all, this is the whole of it. And there is no revenue generation, there is no community building. It's a pure positive impact stuff that we're doing. And I love getting into people's mind, head, and understanding the person they are. It's kind of a developing hobby I have right now. So that is how it is going right now. So if you have been listening to me till this moment, I'm very thankful to you for letting my voice get to your ears and your heads and think about it also. And if you wish to join me on this podcast, please, since this is a video, please please drop in a comment or get back to us through our official handles, or you can find our email ID, and that is how we're moving forward with it. As you can see, as I am a budding person and I have my set of challenges that I am facing, otherwise, I would not be here explaining everything in detail. And yeah, so that is how it is going. And all the content posted, written by me, are all my intellectual properties that comes under that. It is copyrighted and everything. So if we find it somewhere else, we would obviously move against those people who would take our intellectual property, because it is completely developed by me. All the poems, all the quotes, and maybe some statements also. And I understand I'm completely responsible for everything that I make, the statements, the writings, and everything. So the websites, the three websites I have, the profiles I have, everything I on, it's owned by me, and that's my intellectual work. That's something that I would like to make a point on, because I've been seeing so many things over the platforms and medias. I mean, I say medias and all. Yeah, so it's SEO searches are all going weird. That's not the right, I felt. So that is from my part as of now. So I think things are pretty clear. So I'll be winding this video up soon here. Thank you so much for listening. This is your host of the show, and I had to take the title of founder also, because it was going a bit public. So this is your host of the show. That is my recording button. One second, guys. Yeah, so this is your host and founder of the show Dreams Awaken, and this is Neetu Cherian signing off.